Hello and welcome. Now that we have finished Genesis chapters 1 through 3 and finished the story of the Garden of Eden, I believe it's the perfect time to read Paradise Lost. The purpose of this video is to introduce John Milton and his epic poem Paradise Lost. I'll also introduce a new series where we will read, study, and analyze the complete text of Paradise Lost. John Milton was born on December 9, 1608 in London, England. He is a world-renowned poet, historian, and pamphleteer. His most famous work, the work that we're going to read in the next few weeks, is Paradise Lost, which is widely considered the greatest poem in English. Milton released Paradise Lost in 1667 in 10 books, and again in 1674 in 12 books, having around 11,000 lines. In Milton's theological works, he valued free conscience and emphasized the importance of scriptures and issues relating to faith. In fact, Milton even wrote an unfinished work about Christian doctrine called De Doctrina Christiana, which means on Christian doctrine. This work offers a systematic and comprehensive theology of Christianity. In Milton's later years, he was an advocate for republicanism and freedom of worship. He later died either from renal failure or gout on November 8, 1674. He was buried in St. Giles Cripplegate Church, which is located in London. So, as stated before, Paradise Lost is a world-renowned epic poem written by John Milton. Paradise Lost is a retelling of the biblical story of Adam and Eve sinning against God by eating from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. The main characters are Adam and Eve, Lucifer, which is another name for Satan, and God. The story portrays many characters from Christian mythology, like angels, demons, and many archangels like Gabriel, and many more. The book also talks about the rebellion of Satan and the demons against God, and it's these battles between Satan and God, among many other events in the story, that teach the main theme, which portrays the spiritual battle between good and evil. But I don't want to give too much away, because when I read the book and study it, I want to give insightful analysis and notes that will feel new and refreshing for people who haven't read this work before. For the series plan, I would like to read the 1674 edition of the book, which has it's a 12-book edition of Paradise Lost, the final edition from start to finish. I will read one book a week and create a company study and analysis video maybe on the same day or maybe a day or two after I post the reading video. And I will provide a link to the reading at the beginning of the lecture video to encourage viewers to listen to the text before I study and analyze the text. So at this point, from that plan, I plan on completing this series in about 3 months. I'm really excited to read this story, and I hope that you will follow along and learn some more about Paradise Lost and why it is as significant and renowned as it is today. Thank you.